Hello and welcome back to the stock market analysis. Today we're gonna look at Sounhound, a stock that I've covered in the past. So without further ado, let us switch to the daily chart of Sounhound. Now things don't look so nice for Sounhound at this moment. I remember saying that in my past analysis that if Sounhound were to continue to go up, it should trade above this area. This was the previous high. And if you remember your technical analysis correctly, that previous high once overcome becomes a new support, which is why the stock kind of traded sideways here, but eventually it broke below support here. And this is a sign that this stock wasn't strong enough to continue to move higher. Now, the other thing that is very bad for this stock is that it has dropped below the 20 MA. There are many red bars, large red bars here, which are not very good for the stock itself. And maybe if I draw an uptrend line here, it has also broken above an uptrend line, which signals a change, possible change of trend. Now, it has not broken below this swing yet, so we can't say that it is beginning a downtrend. Perhaps if it goes here, moves up, and then breaks below this swing low here that might form, then it's a definition of start of a new downtrend. Now, if you look at the 16-minute chart, you can see that this previous high here is a support, which is why it went up, drop, but found support, went up, drop, and found support. But eventually it broke down because maybe you can see a somewhat descending triangle pattern. This is quite a bearish thing if it happens. If you can see the descending triangle, and when it breaks down, we have a bearish cross in the 60-minute charts where the 20 MA cross below the 50 MA, and here's the breakdown. Traders can short here, put a stop loss here, or just along the trend line here, depending on how aggressive you are. If you're aggressive, short here, put a stop loss here, and just write it down. Now, currently, it is finding support at the rising 200 MA, which is an important MA in the 60-minute chart, and this could be a consolidation, but it's nearing the declining 20 MA. And if Sounhound continues to trade sideways and break down from this consolidation, we can see price going lower from there. So at this moment, it's not very conducive for you to be longs. Let me just remove all the drawings so that you can see things clearly. You want to be long a stock when it is above the rising 20 MA. So you can see this stock. Let me just move back here. Okay, it was above the rising 20 MA most of the time here. Good time to buy. This was a what do you call it? A triangle breakout. All this, when the stock is above the rising 60-minute 20 MA, this is a breakout play where you can buy, put a stop loss here and write it higher. And when it dropped below the 20 MA, not a very good time to buy until now, until here, and then it went back above the 60-minute 20 MA, form a cup with handle pattern, right, and broke out where you can buy here, put a stop loss here, write it higher. But as you can see, now it is below the 20 MA, below the 50 MA, so it's not very conducive for you to be longs unless it can find support here and maybe break back above this downtrend line. Okay, I would like to see it find support at the 200 MA and break above the 20 MA and 50 MA and this downtrend line before you should even think of buying this stock. Now, to understand the reason why the stock is acting like that, we need to switch to the weekly charts. I'm so sorry, the connection is a bit slow. Okay. Now, okay. This is Sounhound. This is a long-term support here, which you should pay attention to whatever happens to the stock. Okay, as long as it stays above this area, most likely it will continue to trade sideways and then move higher. You can see there are lots of resistance areas around here. Okay, here is a resistance area, and of course the former highs here are all resistance areas, which is why the stock went up and went down again. So at this moment, it is still in a weekly uptrend because it has broken above these highs here, but things are slow. Okay, there are supplies here and here, which is why there are growing pains. Remember, people who lost money here want to recover their losses as it goes up. So do bear that in mind. So at this moment, you need to be patient, wait for a really nice setup. Okay, this is the Fibonacci retracement tool, and right now you can see it's sitting at a 50% retracement. All right, if it can find support here, stabilize, maybe form a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, okay, this might be a nice trade setup. Okay, but if it goes below the 50% down here, then the next area to look for is the 50 MA. So right now, for me, if I were to trade this stock, I would wait for it to stabilize around here, see if there is any trade setup, bullish reversal candlestick setup. Okay, so I hope this short analysis is helpful to you. All right, we just look at multiple time frame analysis, and it helps to be able to see from different angles, okay, so that you can know where to enter, what to anticipate, as compared to be a one-dimensional technical analysis, just looking at the daily chart. So if you find this analysis helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.